Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get your AliExpress Bulk Saver Hub items in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is download and install your AliExpress application. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and head to your account tab on the bottom of your screen. Finally, once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and look for the Bulk Saver Hub or wholesale or business. It could be any of those. Then you want to simply go ahead and type bulk saver hub or specific items in the bulk search if you didn't find it. So just go to the search and then just write bulk, which will definitely go ahead and get it for you. As you can see, now all you need to do is simply go ahead and select the specific ones. You can also use the filters like great price, or you can also go ahead and use deals and discount filters right over here in order to go ahead and find it. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.